channel if this is your first time watching, and welcome back if you've watched before. This intro is a little different, as you can see. It's just so nice outside and I felt like I really needed some sun. So here I am. This video was a lot of fun to make. It was a lot different than my other soaps that I tend to do. I ended up making some melt and pour embeds for this soap.
Melt and pour isn't really my forte. Oh, my kitty is. She's bumping everything. What are you doing? Being grumpy. So mad.
So I made some really cool embeds for this one, which I was really nervous about, to be honest. I was scared that they weren't going to work. I was scared that they were going to melt inside my soap. So I did a goldfish.
Little tiny goldfish column mold, which is the first time I've ever used a silicone column mold. So I'm really happy that turned out well.
And then I did some skulls and bones and hearts on the top. And I really like the theme of this soap. I made it with...
And, like, I didn't really... Honestly, I don't think I came up with this idea. I can't remember if it was mine. I don't think it was.
Okay, but I'm gonna give all of the credit to my awesome friend. She's Emily. I met her in the Discord chat for Vince's Patreon. I'm gonna butcher his name if I say it. It's like Vince Manzini. I'm bad at names. But I met her in his Patreon chat room on Discord because we both are fans of his, and
That's so funny. She just messaged me right now. I sent her a picture, or I sent her a message asking if she wanted to see it, and she's just like freaking out in my messages on Discord right now. And we were just like, oh my god, this is the coolest idea. We came up with it. And
it is like a mermaid soap.
But it's not a mermaid soap. It's not like Little Mermaid under the sea sort of mermaid soap.
It's like the real mythological story of mermaids, like the classic sirens. And so this isn't like a froofy frilly sort of design as much as you would typically see with like
mermaid soap.
At the time of this filming, the voting on my Facebook page is still 50-50 on if it is Siren of the Sea soap or just Sea Siren soap.
It's like half and half, and there's like 30 votes, and no one is breaking the tie. So I still don't know the name of this one.
But I really like how it turned out. I just finished cutting it, and I was actually gonna film this tomorrow in a well done setting. But
I just really love this soap, but I want it to be, I just want to show everybody
how cool it is. So I filmed this in my pajamas outside on my porch in my messy backyard, because this is the first sun that we have had literally since summer, so it's nice. I'm just sitting in it and soaking it up. I missed the sun quite a lot, to be honest. I really loved making this soap. It was so awesome. The siren theme was really cool. I actually have another themed soap coming up really soon. And then Cheyenne actually suggested a Once Upon a Time, the TV show. That's like that Disney like crazy show that's got like
all the characters and they're in a little town, but the town's like weird and magic.
I like that show. It was really entertaining. So maybe I will see what I can do with that. But Bunny Cartoon guessed correctly in the last video's comments. I am making an Animal Crossing themed soap. So if you are excited for the release of Animal Crossing on March 20th, then keep your eyes out, because I'm gonna have a soap that incorporates a few elements from that.
Which, you know, is my favorite game, so big shock there.
Yeah, it's just been a really mellow week. I've been kind of in a... So it's just nice to make this fun soap and have a lot of cool plans ahead. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. I've been trying to kind of like get in my stride with everything, so I hope you like it. Here we go.